I'm Marianella for the new Simple on Amazon.com. You want to hear music through your car stereo? No.
You want to feel it, man.
Time to upgrade your speakers. Yes, replace your car's stock equipment. Consider new models from JBL and Infinity. Welcome to bigger, better bass. How do they do it? First, materials. Most stock car speaker cones are held with paper or foam. Benefit? Cheap. Problem? Bad. After a few hot summers and chilly winters, your speakers can literally break down. One result? Muddy, distorted bass. To the rescue, JBL and Infinity's patented +1 woofer cone technology. Each speaker cone is held by this curved rubber edge. It helps the cone keep its shape, which results in better bass notes while also increasing durability. And +1's design is engineered to have more surface area than the typical replacement speaker. A bigger cone, which makes bigger sound, can fit in the same size package. Sorry guys, size matters. The larger the cone, the more air it can move for bigger, better bass. Want big volume too? Check out the next video.